This is going over geometry homework, page 713. Hey, let's get started. First of all, they want to find the circumference on this one. What do they give us? Well, they give us the radius. So, hey, we've got two formulas. Let's use this one here. Circumference equals 2 pi r. Plug it in, 2 pi times 6 inches. We can put our answer two different ways. One way is just multiply 2 times 6. That's going to be 12, and then times pi inches. That's great. Or in our calculator, we're going to go 2 times pi times 6. Let's go do that right now. Let's see if we can find that. There it is. Okay, go over here. Hey, we got 2 times our pi times our 6. There we go, huh? 3770. Let's put that down. Hey, 3770 inches. Again, make sure we put units in chapter 11. Very important. I'm going to be looking for that. Let's go to the next one. Hey, we got the we want to again find the circumference. This time, what do they give us? They give us the diameter. This time, let's use this one. Circumference is pi times the diameter. So, hey, one way we can write it, here we go. 17 centimeters is our diameter. One way, we could just leave it 17 pi centimeters, or we multiply it out. I kind of like to multiply it out myself. Let's go ahead and do that. 17 pi, there we go, huh? 5340. Okay, 5340 centimeters. Again, all we found for circumference is just the distance around the circle. So it's just centimeters. It's not area. It's just distance. Keep on going. Number 5. Find the radius. What did they give us? Well, they gave us the circumference, and they want us to find the radius. Well, use your formula. Here we go. Circumference equals 2 pi r. Plug in what you know. You know the circumference is 63 equals 2 pi r. Okay, solve for r. What I like to do on this one is I'm going to first multiply 2 times pi. I think we did that in our notes. Let's go do it again. 2 times pi, there it is. I'm going to say 628. Okay, 628 times r divided by 628 on this side, divide by 628 on this side. There we go. 63 divided by 628. 63 divided by 628. Boom, there we go. Let's go 1003. Okay, 1003. What? Do any units on this one? Yeah, sure. It's feet. That's what we found. We found the radius is just over 10 feet. Okay. The next one, it says find the circumference of the red circle. Well, where's the red circle? Here we go. Let's get a circle in there. Here it is. Okay. There we go. Let's make it a little bigger. Well, okay, and I'll tell you what, let's fit. You know what I want to fit in there, don't you? Okay, make that guy bigger. There you go. Find the circumference of the smiley face. Well, what do we need here? Circumference. What did they give us? They gave us the diameter. They gave us the diameter. The diameter is 14. Let's use that one. Here we go. Circumference equals pi times d. Circumference equals pi times 14. Any units? Not on this one. Here's our answer. 14 pi, or circumference equals, let's multiply that. 14 times pi. 14 times a pi. There we go. 4398. Okay, 4398. Again, any units? Not on this one. Okay, keep on rolling here. Okay, how about this? Find the circumference of the red circle. Well, we know the whole distance down here is 10. Well, that means you got 5 for the diameter here. You got 5 for the diameter here. Look at that. The two circles are the same. So I don't know. Let's use diameter. Diameter is 5. Circumference equals pi times d. So we got pi times 5. You could leave it like that. I'm going to leave it 5 pi, or let's see what we got. 5 times pi. 5 times pi. Nice. 1571. Okay. 1571. There it is. Okay, keep on rolling here. Find the arc length right here. This is what they're looking for. They're looking for that. What did they give us? They gave us the radius, and they gave us, what do we call the angle right at the center? The central angle. There we go, huh? We want to find arc length. We write down the formula from the formula sheet for arc length equals central angle over 360 times the circumference. So here we go. Central angle 120 over 360. Circumference, I'm going to use 2 pi r because they gave us the radius. 2 times pi times the radius is 14. There we go. Get rid of that. Okay, here we go. I'm going to do 2 things. First of all, 120 over 360. You could do it in your calculator, but I know it's 1/3, so I'm going to use 4 decimal places. Now I'm going to go 2 times pi times 14 in my calculator. 2 times pi, that's 2 times pi times the radius. 2 times pi times the radius was 14. There we go, 8796. 8796. 8796. Multiply by 0.3333. Okay, take the number that's in there, multiply it by 0.3333. Nice. 2932. Okay. 2932. Check for units. Oh, there were units. Yeah, centimeters. That means our arc length is 29.32 centimeters. Arc length. Nice. Okay, 13. Again, they want us to find right here the arc length. Again, they give us a, what kind of angle? A central angle. It opens up to the arc we want. We want arc AB. In fact, this time let's go like this. Arc AB equals central angle over 360 times the circumference. Okay, central angle, 45. Divided by 360 times the circumference. This time, look at what they gave us. They gave us the diameter. So I'm going to use pi times d. So here it is, pi times 8. Okay, in our calc, let's see. 45 over 360, is that 0.125? Let's check it out. 45 over 360. Boom, it is 0.125. Okay, 0.125 times pi times 8. Here we go. Pi times 8 at 2513. 2513. Okay, multiply that by 0.125. Here we go, multiply that by 0.125. Nice, 314. Okay. 314. That is just pi, but we'll leave it as 314. There it is. And what about units? Yep, it's going to be feet on this one. 3.14 feet. That's going to be this distance right here. Let's move that B guy over. There we go. That's going to be this distance right here, 3.14 feet. That's the arc length. Okay, how about next one, 21? It says again, find the arc length. Okay, that's what they want us to find. What did they give us? They gave us the radius. Any units? No. Hey, let's just do it now. Oh, I'm sorry. What they wanted us to find on this. Sorry, what they wanted us to find is actually the angle. That's what they wanted us to find. This right here, they're talking about the angle. So they want the central angle. There we go. They did give us, though. They gave us the arc length. They gave us the radius. Well, let's use our formula. Here we go. Let's move this over on the side here. There we go. Nice. Okay, here's our formula. Arc length equals, we got central angle over 360 times the circumference. Arc length, yep, there it is, 873. 873. We do not know the central angle, so that's going to be our unknown, over 360. Nice. Circumference, they gave us the radius, so let's use 2 times pi times the 10. There it is. Okay, here it is. 873 equals central angle over 360. Let's go 2 times pi times 10. Okay, in the calc. 2 times pi times 10. There it is, 6283. 6283. What do you want to do next? Algebra. Think about what do you want to do to get the central angle by itself. Hopefully someone out there in video land says multiply both sides by 360. Hopefully someone said that. Multiply by 360 to get rid of that. Here we go. Got to multiply by 360 over here. Let's do it. 873 times 360. 8.73 times 360. There we go. Good. 3142. Okay. 3142.8 equals. Now look at what we have left. It's central angle times 6283. Well, algebra again, what are you going to do? On both sides, yeah, you're going to divide 6283 here, divide by 6283 here. Look at that. Those are gone. Here we go. I got my central angle right at the center. Take 3142 divided by 6283. Okay, take that number divided by 6283. Nice. There it is. I'll tell you what, let's call that 50 degrees. Okay, there we go. 50 degrees is what we found right there. We're talking 50 degrees. Okay, nice. That right there is going to be the end